everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center at DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV World, where we throw our members into our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Right behind me, I do have this great opportunity of showing you guys a 2025 Leisure Unity Murphy Bed Lounge. Super excited to show y'all, so let's start. Over here you do have a nice storage compartment. However, you can get the optional exterior package with the TV setup and the sound bar. Outside of that, you kind of get a little bit of a storage space here as well. Down below, you are going to have your batteries. So they have upgraded this to a 270 amp hour standard lithium battery. And then you have your 3000 watt inverter. You can get the additional option of adding in another 270 amp hour battery, which is going to give you about 540 total. Right back here on this floor plan, you're going to have your propane generator should you choose that option. And then you're going to have another little additional smaller storage compartment to fit all of your stuff within. Now we're going to go over to the driver's side. There you are going to have two of your biggest storage compartments, one on the taller side that I'm sure you've seen Dean jump in and out of. And then underneath your slide, they have actually changed that to where it's going to be one fluid flow of a storage compartment. Ginormous, you can put golf clubs in there, chairs, grills, stuff like that. Also in that taller storage compartment, if you choose the option of the exterior ladder and the exterior table, that is where those components will be housed. Right below that storage, you will have your utility bank. So in there's going to be from your black tank dump, your propane shut off, your propane refill, and all of that fun stuff just located right into a compartment. Now we're going to head on inside, and I'm super excited to show you guys. All right, we have made our way inside. So another change that Leisure has done, so as you saw outside, they put the batteries out there now, adding in space here underneath your step for any shoe storage or just an additional tote storage. Up here you are going to have some of your controls, as well as your control panel that we'll get to here in just a bit. Down below you're going to have your latch for your TV. You're just going to pop that and allow it to come up. Down below is tinted, so you can still watch your TV if you want to be able to look out your windows. What's another really great feature is the fact that this is magnetized, so if you do drop anything down there, like I may or may not have, it's retrievable and it's not going to be lost forever. Also super convenient for any servicing that needs to be done if that ever comes about. Over here we have our beautiful Leisure Lounge chairs. Now the interior of this is going to be in your rift oak. This is going to be your clay upholstery, and then with your Bianca white cabinetries. So here you do have some very comfortable Leisure Lounge chairs. Table is adjustable, so if you didn't need an additional armrest and your arm is not put up to the Netherlands, you are able to put that however you please. A couple of other little fun things that you can do with this area, and I'm going to show you here in just a bit, so let me get this down. All right, let me show you. Ta-da! So getting ready to eat, you have set up your dinette. How you're going to do this is you are going to lift up your armrest, lift up your backrest, and then you'll be able to put your back cushion that was down on your recliner right behind. So backrest, armrest, cushion. Ta-da! Another great feature here on these is that you are going to have your wireless charger. So need to charge your phone, just slip it right in there and it's going to connect and get your phone charged very well. Another fun position that we can put this in, and now you have a little day bed. So if you still want to take a quick nap without putting down your bed, this is another option that you have as well. Now let's put that bed down so I can show you the size. Ta-da! This bed is going to be nearly a king size, so you're sitting 65 by 74. What's really nice is this leaf piece, which allows you to see those three windows in the back, creating more space within this unit. I'm a very big natural light lover, and so this really helps. In your bed, you're going to have two reading lights, and then you are going to have adjustable backrests. So if you're not ready to go to bed, you can pop these up, and then you're going to be able to pop them right down whenever you're ready. So truly what brings Leisure is their quality. I mean, they do everything almost in-house, everything that they possibly can, from their fiberglass to their wood, their cabinetry. They even sew their own upholstery. This is the beautiful and buttery ultra leather. And here in your galley area, you are going to have You can make this kind of into whatever you want. Hanging storage, pantry. You do have another pantry in the galley area that I'll show you. You have a couple of drawers here that are super great. And that's one test to Leisure's quality, is that they want to make sure nothing rattles in here. But you have your soft close capabilities, another compartment here. Panning over to our galley area, you're going to have your 2-burner propane cooktop. And right behind your 2-burner cooktop, you're going to have an additional storage. I've seen people put anything from like their smaller Keurigs, their smaller traditional coffee pots, coffee mugs, but really whatever you need to put within your kitchen area. You do have additional storage right above here in your kitchen galley area, and a little shelf that you can use as well whenever you get to your campsite. Here is going to be your beautiful pantry. So this can act as, you know, your true pantry, but you can still use that other compartment as whatever you deem is going to be necessary along your trip. We do have our 12-volt Norcold refrigerator and pull-out freezer, which is super nice. It is adjustable here, so you can decide kind of how much space you need within. Your refrigerator is pretty big. In a unit of this size, these are adjustable as well. So I know some people are some milk drinkers. I've had this question happen before. Yes, you can put kind of like that half-gallon milk in here. Convection microwave, and then back here we have our beautiful bathroom, and this is one of the popular things within this floor plan. So you have your 34 by 34 shower in here. I think I'm probably about 5'7" maybe in these boots. Stepping in here, I still have a lot of space. So hand is all the way up, kind of flat palm to the dome feature that they installed in here, so our taller people can fit. I think he says it goes up to about 6 foot or 6'4". So you have no space, or you have no worries of space being in here. Around here you have a couple of, you know, other little closet spaces here. These are adjustable shelves, so you can take these out if you didn't need them, move them to wherever you need to, but you also have your bar up top for hanging storage. Here, I would like to say that this is going to be kind of like a towel storage or additional bed sheet storage, kind of whatever you deem is necessary as well, but it's huge and offers a lot of space. This floor plan definitely does not lack storage in here. And for a unit of this size, it's amazing to me because you can pack a lot. With their gross vehicle weights, they kind of vary, and they're going to vary depending upon the options you choose, materials such and all of that. But I think this one's ranging around the 1,000 area. So, I mean, you can load a lot once when water and all of that is still put into place. So it's a plus. Here on the Unity models, you are going to get a little storage space here. You can get the optional safe within your storage compartment up front, but this can, if you don't have it, it's just going to be a bigger storage. What's really cool here that I learned is that you get a fitted sheet for that bed, because since RV mattresses don't really, I would say, add up to a residential mattress, Leisure sends you with your own fitted sheet cover. Here we're going to have our control panels, so you can control all of your lights. All of these lights are dimmable. Whatever you preset into this, whenever you click the light master on and off, is what's going to turn on. You also have light panels throughout your unit, both in your front entryway, your bed, your galley area, and your bathroom. So that's super cool. Control all the temperatures on the Murphy Bed Lounge. You have the Truma Vario heat, along with the Truma AquaGo and hot water heater as well. Take a look at all of your batteries. They use the smart MPPT solar controller, so that you can figure all of that in here as well, and then just some additional things. What's really cool is their mobile app that you can get on your phone, so you can control all of your lights, AC, and additional settings right there through your phone. Now we're going to head out to the cab area, so follow me. And here we are. So up here in the cab, there's a lot of comfort to it. You know, with having the Leisure, you do have the Mercedes luxury as well. Here you're gonna have your digital rear view camera, which is a super nice feature in RVs because you can constantly see what's going on behind you when you're in traffic, driving down the road and everything of that, instead of, you know, just being able to see the house portion. You're gonna have all of your safety features that Leisure chooses with Mercedes, that are gonna be listed right next to me, so please pause the video. But a little little short description, adaptive cruise control, crosswind assist, brake assist, all of those fun stuff. You have cup holders for days. I think you have about 10 in here, different sizes, so that's super nice because as for me, I probably have 3 drinks already sitting on my desk that may or may not be finished by the end of the day, but hey, at least I would have cup holders here when I'm driving down the road. You also have a charging port up here with USB-C, USB charging cables, which is really nice going down the road. All seats are going to be powered, not manual. They're going to be controls right up on the side of your door, shaped like the chair, so you can kind of adjust the seat that you wear. You're going to have 3 presets, and what I like to tell customers is make your first preset, your driving and passenger set. Make the second one the set that you need for whenever you need to turn your chair around. Then make the third one the comfort setting that you want whenever your chair is turned around, facing back to the house portion. Super handy, really nice. But that is going to be this leisure travel van. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. Please leave a comment below. I know there are tons of videos out there on leisure travel vans, but I'd love to know, what are your favorite features? What are your favorite options? What are your favorite colors? Leave a like and subscribe below, and stay tuned for more videos.